Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. What we have for sale today is a 2001 Johnson 99. This is a short shaft manual start. Compression came back at 110 PSI on both cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. New spark plugs, new impeller, new lower unit lube, and the carburetor was cleaned on this one. We'll go ahead and get this fired up for you guys. Go ahead and put it forward. Back neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Shut it off. Great running little engine. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.